Paris Air Show is back after a long COVID-induced pause. The skies over the La Bourget airport will be buzzing with roaring sounds of various military and civilian aircraft, and the buzzing of drones with multiple use cases will be a common sight till Sunday, the 25th of June. The much anticipated air show, which is being held for the first time since the pandemic, is keeping aviation enthusiasts on the edge of their seats. Multiple OEMs that operate in both the civilian and military aircraft industry, drone manufacturers, and aerospace and defense equipment providers are all set to put their latest innovations on display. French company Thales is one of these players, and CNBC-TV18 got a sneak peek of what one can expect from the company's tables this year. The entire aviation industry has seen rapid technological changes over the years. Skies the world over not only accommodate civilian and military aircraft, but drones that have different capabilities and use cases. But like every innovation, drones too can be used for good or misused. The latter can pose a threat at multiple levels, from personal injury to invasion of privacy to terror attacks. And to reduce this threat, Thales has developed EagleShield IDtect, which is a multi-sensor solution that helps detect and isolate unauthorized drones that may be flying over restricted airspace like commercial airports. What you're seeing right behind me is a drone detection system for airports, and the primary objective of this is to let the air traffic controller know whenever a drone enters its vicinity. The ATC comes to know about all the details of the drone, what is the height of the drone, and the main objective is to ensure that no untoward incident like a collision between a drone and an aircraft happen.
We have a specific solution designed to protect the landing and the takeoff of the airplane against any drone flying over the airport. We can detect any drones beyond 10 kilometers around the airport and medium altitude from several hundred of meters. And the control tower will know if there is any drone flying over and will avoid any accident.
This information is passed to aid the control tower. The security airport controller passes the information to security forces, and action can then be taken to avoid any intrusions. The system is currently deployed at the Heathrow airport in the United Kingdom, and it is expected to make its debut in India soon.
We have been working for India for many radar systems for decades, but since a few months we are in discussions with major airports in India to explain the solution we have here and try to see if it meets the requirements of the Indian authorities. We are ready, so we can do that tomorrow.
Thales has also showcased the GO20mm, or the Ground Observer 20mm. This is a 360-degree integrated radar system that can detect any ground or air movement within a radius of 15 kilometers.
The GO20mm is our new radar that integrates both land target surveillance as well as low-level air surveillance. That means in detail that we have very slow targets, like a crawling man or a walking person, as well as highly agile targets, and that is quite a technical challenge for a radar. And this is the first time that we can integrate both functionality into the same mode at the same time. It is very flexible in its operation, so you can take it apart easily and set it up within 5 minutes only, transport it easily, and it's man-portable. So with two persons you can carry it anywhere where you want without any infrastructure. We have a lot of requests for these radars, and we have a lot of tests with that.
Thales has also showcased its unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, called the Spy Ranger 330. This is a drone that has intelligence gathering, surveillance and reconnaissance mission capabilities.
It's very strong against jamming, for example. Is also equipped with a payload, with a gimbal, with a high-performance gimbal, with an electro-optical sensor and an infrared sensor with the eye zoom, and also with a laser pointer to designate some targets or some buildings, for example. Also, it's a combat-proven drone. It has been used in several battles and several wars, for example, in Africa. And it's designed for harsh environment. In 2020, the system was deployed in Africa by the French land forces. So, and we have also sold this kind of system in several foreign countries. We are developing larger drones to reach the autonomy of 10 hours and 100 kilometers range.
Well, the French company Thales has showcased its highly advanced and innovative military systems, right from different kinds of radars to drone detection system to advanced integrated air response systems. Well, the company feels that these products can be an asset for any nation in case of an emergency that guarantees a high and fast-paced response. From Jamare in France with video journalist Saroj Singh, this is Daanish Anand for CNBC-TV18.